Deborah James has bravely admitted that she's gutted she won't get to see her book published as she continues to fight on in her bowel cancer battle. The former BBC presenter, 40, has battled bowel cancer for over 6 years, but earlier this month, the brave mum of 2 revealed that she is no longer receiving treatment and is now in hospice care, spending the rest of her time with her beloved family. Since making her sad announcement, Deborah has inspired millions of people across the globe, having raised over £6.5 million for bowel cancer charities, and she has also been honoured with a damhood from Buckingham Palace. As well as that, Deborah has launched her very own fashion collection and an array of Rebellious Hope t-shirts which are part of her In the Style collection. By doing this, the much-loved star has also raised hundreds of thousands of pounds for cancer. Sales of a rose named after the 40-year-old have also topped £50,000. If that wasn't enough, Deborah also has her very own book, which is launching later this year, but the brave star has admitted that she's gutted she won't live to see her book on the shelves. The book, called How to Live When You Could Be Dead, has already reached the top of the Amazon charts as Deborah's fans rush to pre-order her poignant project. Opening up about her bittersweet achievement, Deborah took to Instagram to thank her loyal fans for their continued support as she continues to fight on. "Thank you to everyone that has already pre-ordered it," Dame Deborah penned. "Gutted I won't see it published," she added. Earlier this month, the former BBC star said the publishing date of her hotly anticipated book had been moved forward as she's got a few things to share before she dies. Her book, which was originally due to be released next year, will now be published on August 18. Lifting the lid on her proud achievement, Deborah previously revealed, "It's been a labor of love. And I think people might find it surprising, it's certainly not a follow-on to Book 1. It's all about mindset and how the learnings of a positive mindset might help you even in the darkest moments."